How to add highlights in Lensa. If you've taken a photo where the brightest spot like the sky or the light source look completely washed out, the highlight tool in the Lensa is a secret option to fix that. Let me show you how to bring back the details in the brightest part of your image. First things first, let's open the Lensa and pick the photo that you want to work on. Let's pick the photo number first, which is right over here, and wait for a while. Once it's loaded, find the adjust icon on the bottom toolbar. However, there's not a specific option which is called adjust right over here. What you have to do is simply scroll down these options right over here at the bottom, and there you can see an option for the light. Simply tap on it, and there you can see three options under it too: subject, backdrop, and sky. If you want to particularly edit the section like subject, backdrop, and sky, you can just tap on it and change it. However, if you want to change the overall highlight of the picture, what you can do is simply tap on this highlight right over here and adjust it as you want. And let me show you the specific one. For example, in the sky, let's highlight it flash. Okay, and so we can see the sky having become more brighter. Let's highlight it just like this. And once you find the perfect balance for your photo, you are done. Simply tap on save, which is in the top right corner. Let me know what kind of photo that you are trying on this, and if this trick helped you out or not. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.